Yes.
Never.
Oh.
I filmed it.
Leave it.
Alright.
Don't touch it.
Alright.
Let's go camping.
I'm not touching it, no.
Okay.
Sorry, no. Sorry.
It's alright.
What's with all the fish?
Tornado warning.
Go! Tactical nuke again!
Tactical
Please! I knew it!
Baldy. I like baldy.
Does this sound scary to you?
No, not really.
No.
Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous.
March 2016.
Oh, 2 years ago.
Will be damaged or destroyed. Damage
Oh, my ding dong.
and vehicles will occur.
Trapped in it.
Damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be airgrounds, 130 building.
Whoa, there's a lot.
Oh.
Is there a
Oh,
tornado
sorry.
siren in our...
Alright. Sorry, no.
Yeah, it's alright.
We have a tornado siren in our
thank you.
city.
But
Is there one at Gaithersburg, the siren?
There was a fire truck.
sorry, no.
It's alright.
Oh my god.
No. Do I have to say sorry all the time?
No.
Wait, what do you mean?
Whoa.
Wait, no, what do you mean?
You don't have to apologize.
Wait, am I
That's
forgiven?
Titanic thunder.
Am I forgiven?
Okay.
No, am I forgiven?
Yeah.
Yes.
No,
Yes, of course you are.
Where was that?
Illinois.
Illinois.
Have you been there? Have you ever seen
Yes.
it?
Yeah,
Is there
I
one
do.
in Gaithersburg? Wow, that's a lot.
Oh,
Luckily, we're not.
yeah. Good.
Okay, everybody be quiet. That sounds beautiful. But it's kind of scarier at night than it is in the daytime.
Yeah, like the nighttime lightning like is so scary.
Yes,
Yeah.
when I was little, I used to be scared of the rigid logo, the white logo.
What?
Hey,
Yeah.
what about now?
No, I just deal. I like it.
What? It's a wind zone.
I know. Oh, it's coming.
This is worse than Hurricane Harvey.
Say that straight.
No, Hurricane Maria.
No, poke it now.
Hey, turn that down.
I heard the thunder.
Thunder. Ew, thunder. I need really bad.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh! Oh! I know. No. No.
Matthew.
Yeah. No, am I forgiven?
Yes. This sounds like my Nan and Papa's old Bradford White water heater.
Alright.
Fan. They used to unplug it every night when I was
I
there.
know.
What?
Yeah, are there tornado signs in Gaithersburg?
No.
Any in our